We're back at Heavy Haul HQ, and today we're going to be going over the Trail King TK80HT. It's a Hydrotail trailer. We got Anthony here with me, and Jasmine is recording everything. This whole trailer is done with CarTech remote control by Trail King. Even got the Trail King emblem right there. It has some pretty cool features like a pop-up ramp, hydraulically operated. These things specialize in a lot of the rental equipment. So a lot of people that are hauling small to medium-sized equipment. It has the Warren 20XL winch, same thing that you see on a lot of these specialized equipment trailers, and keyhole slots in the top deck, even on the front of the trailer, and down the side rail. It has a really high-intensity LED work light right here. And then this is your lockout for your ramp so that it's not resting on just the hydraulic cylinders. Height and suspension control, 2 lockable toolboxes with a little bit of dust. It does have stake pockets here as well as down the side rail. This one sold right around $98,000. Just FYI, I know I always have one of the guys in the comments asking me, but what's the price, Gabe? This one is right around $98,000 plus FET. It's got a heavy duty step, fold down step that can even carry me, and I'm about 300 pounds. Let's scramble around to the back. It's got Meritor tire inflation system on outside aluminum rims. See if it'll pick up on camera the high intensity LED. Scrambling around to the back, we got a 4-prong clearance marker light output right here, and then strobe lights. Weatherproof toggle for the strobe lights in the back. Now let's get down to the brass tacks and watch this thing operate. So Anthony's got the controls, and in real time, you can lift the tail. This one is 35-ton rated. So Anthony just hit the unlock, and now he'll fold the tail out. The tail will raise up to dock height, 58 inches, and actually a lot further. And this is an 8-foot hydraulic tail with 52-inch fold under. Hope you guys enjoyed our demo of the Trail King TK80HT Hydrotail. And if you need a Trail King, give us a call, 888-LOWBOY1, or click the link in my bio.
We got the deals, from standing meat trailers to custom wheels. Parts and service, we got your back. When you roll with us, there's nothing you lack. We mod those trailers, blue lights bright, trailers super stretch, looking just right. From sales to repairs,